I am here with a puppy update. Hi. Are you sniffing my shoe? Here's Teddy, Brownie, Socks. The other two don't have names. Actually, where did the other one go?
Number, don't put it in pen.
Oh, okay. So this is my little brother, Belgium. So yeah, the puppy update is that they moved from the house to the yard. Hello. Okay, so here are the puppers. Does she like that stick?
Yeah.
She does?
Mm-hmm.
So, looks like Brownie is now a fan of sticks. You guys still like to chew on my fingers. Socks, what are you doing? What are you doing? So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little puppy update. Let go. Can you let go now? Well, just wanted to give you guys a little puppy update. So yeah, they're out of the house. They're now adventuring around the yard. Yeah.